Welcome to this INNO Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porcus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by INNO Plus. Servicing. Dealer maintenance. Firstly, clear all alarms and get the system running as it should be. Record the client's details and record the system details, including the system number, amperage draw when running, pressure on the sprinkler lines, kilowatt hours used. In the panel, ensure it is secure. Ensure the incoming voltage is correct and that the kilowatt hour meter is counting. Clean the process water filter. Sensors. Replace and calibrate the pH sensors. They are only good for 12 months. If only 6 months old, recalibrate. Clean the electrical conductivity sensor. For the radar level sensor, remove, clean, refit and test. Ensure to clean the white ring underneath really well. With the level floats, remove, clean, refit and test. Ensure the maximum float is a lift to open and the minimum float is a fall to open. Chemical systems. Set each chemical pump to dose on pH. There should be a reaction within a few seconds. Switch the pump back to automatic. Switch the pump on for 20 seconds maximum. You should have a reaction in less than 1 minute. Anti-foam. Set the anti-foam pump on and watch the input hose to see if it's working. Switch the pump back to automatic. This pump should have an instant reaction. Check the sprinklers are spraying clear. The package should be evenly wet with no dry spots. Check the underneath for over-contamination or dry spots. For data logging. Access the data either online or directly from the SD card. Is this smooth running? Is there any downtime? Are there any issues? Check the same with the Moxa modem. There is no option to extract an SD card. Gas test. Measure before and after the air scrubber for the NH3 or ammonia content in the air. Compare the reading to check exactly how well the air scrubber works. Ensure you record this work in the INNO Plus logbook. Complete a service checklist and add this to the logbook. For further support, please contact us.